Wow, you're such finding good at those opposites.
A clue!
New and old. That's an opposite.
Right there!
Right and left. That's another one.
It's a clue!
Wait a minute. You see a clue? Where? Oh. Look at this light switch. And it's pointing down. So our third clue must be a down light switch. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. So, a down light switch. This shape pointing down, and around here, and this big rectangle around. There, a down light switch. Now we have all three clues. Yeah, we have all three clues. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our
thinking chair.
thinking chair. Come on!